Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep. I'm Professor of Marketing at the Asian Institute of Management, Philippines. I'm also the first Asian to have more than 100 publications listed with Harvard Business Publishing outside Harvard Business School. I'm also appointed as the case method influencer by Harvard Business Publishing for the region. I'm looking forward to your participation in the 12th case method workshop at IIM Calcutta in December 2024. The title of the workshop is Case Writing Mastery, Crafting, Engaging and Impactful Management Narratives. The purpose of the workshop is not only to help you how to write the case studies, but also to help you publish those case studies. So we are looking forward to your active participation in the 12th case method workshop in the month of December at IIM Calcutta. Thank you.